Do you know, in South Africa, there is a waterfall where people believe the spirit of a giant serpent controls storms, whirlwinds, and the sudden violent winds that tear across the valley every summer. Year 1993, Howick, KwaZulu-Natal. The sky turned strangely still for a few seconds, and then a single twisting column of wind rose straight out of the river below the falls. A local hiker named Daniel walked down the old path with two friends, planning nothing more than a quiet afternoon near the water. They stood on the overlook, laughing and taking pictures, unaware that the air around them had shifted in a way that felt heavy and unnatural. Daniel stepped closer to the railing, and the moment he looked over the edge, he froze. The water below did not move like normal water. It circled slowly, as if something was turning beneath the surface. Then the trees behind them began to bend toward the river, pulled by a wind that seemed to come from the ground instead of the sky. The three friends felt a vibration under their feet. The water at the base of the falls lifted upward in a spiral, forming a shape that looked almost like a dark body rising. Daniel shouted for everyone to move back. The wind roared so loudly it drowned out their voices. For a few seconds it looked like a long shadow was twisting beneath the spray, following the shape of the water as if something alive was pushing upward. When the wind suddenly stopped, the river dropped flat and the valley became silent. The three friends ran back up the path, shaken and unable to explain what they had witnessed. When they told locals about the swirling water, the rising wind, and the shadow beneath the falls, the response was immediate and calm. People told them they should not have gone close during the storm season because the spirit beneath the waterfall becomes restless. Only at the end did they learn why these incidents happen. For generations, Zulu elders taught that a giant water serpent known as Inkanyamba lives beneath Howick Falls. Long before weather science existed, people believed this spirit rose into the sky and created the violent seasonal winds. Early missionaries documented how locals refused to stand near the bottom of the falls because so many unexplained drownings had occurred there. Even today, the water shows strange spirals during lightning storms, and many still believe the creature reacts to disturbance or disrespect near the river. The friends later discovered that the vibration, the spiraling water, and the sudden upward wind they experienced matched descriptions told for more than a century. They did not witness a legend. They simply walked into a place where ancient belief and natural danger moved together. If you are brave enough, go watch another Spooky Earth video and uncover the next mystery waiting for you.